Thank you, Robert Brown, for providing the reference photo of military working dog Isky, Patrol Explosive Detection Dog. Isky was Robert's canine for an 11-month deployment in Afghanistan from 2013 through 2014. Robert had this to say about Isky. We had been together since October of 2011. Isky was injured during a combat mission with me, and due to the injuries he lost his right front leg. Since his retirement, he has been my service dog for my PTSD. He needed no training to be able to detect my anxiety attacks and my combat mental issues. Without him, I wouldn't be here today. We conducted over 300 combat missions, and we have 15 Improvised Explosive Device finds and over 20 weapons cache finds. Isky is also the first of 4 war dogs to receive the Canine Medal of Courage at Capitol Hill in 2016. Want to know more about military working dog Isky and Robert? Click on the link provided in the description to visit Robert and Isky's page where they work together as professional woodworkers at facebook.com/fourthpaw. Thank you, Robert and military working dog Isky, Patrol Explosive Detection Dog, for your service.